Hi, I'm Dadepapi, and in this video I'm going to show you how I installed my LED light bars in my Lexus IS300. Please enjoy. One more bolt by the headlight, all you have to do is just loosen it. And then you want to run the wires into here. Don't forget about removing this bolt. The reason why I'm doing this is to run the LED wires into the engine bay, through the firewall into the car, and then to the LED control box where I'll run the positive and negative. Here's where I inserted my LED light bars. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for the next videos. Now I'm showing you where I inserted the LED light bars. By doing this, I'm able to grab the LED light bars and place them under the car. Sweet, now to hide the wires. Here's where you gently separate the fender and the car to get the wires behind the tab. Arrange wires where they won't get pinched. Here's where I insert wires into the car. Here you can grab the LED Underglow and place it underneath your car. Here's how I fasten it up. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment. Thank you.